Okay, now we're going to show you how we use the thunderboard as a remote control, okay, to control the light 1 and light 2. Okay, and we also connect the thunderboard to a terminal. Okay, later we'll see what is observed on the terminal. Okay, so now this remote control thunderboard, okay, we can change to different mode such as brightness control, color change, color temperature change. Okay, so what we see here now is, okay, different color change. All right, now is a color temperature change. Okay, yep, back to the RGB color change just by pressing the different modes on the thunderboard. Okay, so let's see what we can see on the terminal. Okay.